Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class we will be start with a new chapter and new topic, that is determiner. As I was learning you in my past class, that was the part of a speech, that is the 8th part, but today we will be discuss about determiner, that is also comes into the category of part of a speech. So today's class we will be start the determiner. Let's start the class. Determiners are the word comes at the beginning of the noun. Determiner always comes into the beginning of the noun. It always used at the beginning of the noun, then we can use that noun. It introduces noun, it determines noun, and whether the noun is specific or general. It always introduces the noun and determines the noun, so it is called determiner. It always introduces the noun and the noun is specific or general, it's not matter, but it always use the beginning of the noun. Determiner is the word, let's again remember it. Determiners is the word that always use beginning of the noun, and the 2 points related this, that is the it introduce noun, determines noun, and the noun is specific or general, this is not matter. Okay, specially the noun determiner is divided into 4 types, that is the article and demonstrative, possessive and quantifiers. These are the categories of determiner. First we will be learning about article. As I was learning you, that is the article. Article is nothing at all, that is a, n and the. These 3 words are called article. This is divided into again 2 types, that is the first is definite article and second is indefinite article. Definite article, only the comes into the category of definite article, and a and n comes into the category of indefinite article. Let's take one example. A book is man's best friend. A is your article. A is indefinite article because here the book name is not mentioned. Specific name is mentioned if, then that is called into the definite article. But if the specific name and specially names is not so, then that is called the indefinite. If the definite article is only comes into the category, that is the, because the is only definite article, always use the specific person and specific things, so definite article the is used. But in this case, a book is man's best friend, it means not any book is mentioned. But in the case of definite article, the Bhagavad Gita is one of the holy books of the Hinduism. Here the is used because he is here mentioned especially the specific book name, that is the Bhagavad Gita, so the is used. And here in this case, book is not mentioned, the name of the book is not mentioned, so a is used. It is called indefinite article and it is called definite article. So let's move to the second, that is demonstrative. Demonstrative, that is these, that, these, those. These words are comes into the category of demonstrative. Third is possessive. Possessive is what? That is my, your, his, your, they. These are the comes into the category of possessive. That is the 4th one and last one, quantifiers. Some, many, much, any is comes into the category of quantifiers. These 4 are called the different varieties of determinant. Again we will be learning, that is 4 different types of determiner with describe. So first one is article. As I was saying you, article determine which noun the speaker is referring to. Article always determine which noun the speaker is referring to. I was also gives the example and also learning you. And second one is demonstrative. Here is the demonstrative. Demonstrative pronoun are also used as a determiner. They are used to point something specific with a sentence. They are used to specific something in a sentence, that is called the demonstrative pronoun. These focus attention on the noun they are replacing. These are the focusing attention of the noun they are replacing. Okay, example, I want to go that movie. Here is that is the demonstrative pronoun. He wanted to those days to go away. Those is your demonstrative pronoun. It is the example of demonstrative pronoun. Let's move to the third, that is the possessive. Possessive pronoun are also used in the as a determiner. Possessive pronoun are shows the ownership. It always shows the ownership of the noun. Where is your bike? Your is your possessive, but your is your shows. Your is the word that shows the owner of the bike. So it is called a possessive. and it's our secret recipe. Our is your pronoun and it is called the possessive pronoun, and also it shows the ownership. It means the secret recipe is anyone and that our words shows the ownership of the recipe. So it is comes into the category of possessive pronoun. And last is the fourth, and that is the quantifiers. They indicate how much or how little of the noun is being discussed. It means it only definable, that is the quantity of a noun. Okay, example, he took some books of mine. Some is your quantifiers. He has few apples in the refrigerator. Apples is your quantifier. It shows something quantity, not specific quantity like 1, 2, 3, 4 or anything, but it shows something quantity like some, many, how much apple. Here is the quantifiers. So some is your quantifiers and few is your quantifiers. Few, some, many, malls, how, any, it is the comes into the category of quantifiers. So it is called the quantifiers. These four are called the determiner. As I was learning you, that is determiner is 4 types. First is article, then demonstrative, possessive, and last one is the quantifier. This is all about determiners. If you like my video, please share and subscribe, and I would highly recommend you please see all those before video that will be revise you. Thank you.